Hello everyone, in this video we are gonna discuss about the thing called CDAC. So many of you know after the graduation there are many courses can also opt for masters, and there is one another program called CDAC. So CDAC is nothing but a postgraduate diploma that is initially done after the graduation, and most probably students give the exam just after their graduation. So let us discuss something about this, like what are the course overview, eligibility, etc. So let us start with it. The first thing, CDAC offers various postgraduate diploma courses in various domains like DAC, DBTA, DMC, DAI, etc. DAC actually stands for Diploma in Advanced Computing, Diploma in Big Data Analytics, Diploma in Mobile Computing, and Diploma in Artificial Intelligence. So there are many programs, not only these, there are many more. Here, this is actually a 6 months duration diploma. So quite an easy thing to if you crack the exam. For this, eligibility criteria is candidates must have a graduate degree in engineering field in any domain like IT, computer science, or any relevant field. So you can check that. And final year students can also apply this, provided that they have their graduation commencement before the course entry. So that is thing. Next, it conducts a entrance exam for admission. So here the exam actually consists of 3 sections. This is actually the contents of the exam. So we'll discuss it later in the next part. And each section have 50 MCQ type questions that you have to answer. Exam pattern, the exam is conducted in online mode at a provided center. So you have to go to the center and actually attend the exam. Then there are 150 questions in total, 50 questions per section, and each correct answer carries 3 marks and each wrong answer carries -1 mark. So check that out. Study material, CDAC actually recommends candidates to refer textbooks and online resources of each subject in the area. So check that out. Next, one must also practice mock test and previous year questions papers too. Then selection process, candidates are ranked based on their CCAT scores. After that, admission is granted based on the rank and the preference of the course. And course fee, talking about the course fee, it can generally range from 90,000 to 1 lakh. It can also go above 1 lakh. It actually depends on the chosen course. So that is the thing over here. Next, I'll discuss about some sections. Like previously mentioned, there are 3 sections, but mostly people go for section A and B because third section is related to electronics field mostly. In section A, there is aptitude, reasoning, English, and it is divided into 30-20 format, like 30 questions, 20 questions. Next, section B has some programming knowledge is required. C, C++, OS, networking, etc. And it is divided in 30-10-10 perspective. So here it is also mentioned like section A, 50 questions, time allocated 1 hour and 150 marks. So each section has 150 marks in total. And all the details are mentioned, like section A has English, quantitative aptitude, reasoning, computer fundamentals, and concepts of programming. Then section B will have C programming, data structures, object-oriented programming concepts, operating systems and networking, basics of big data and artificial intelligence. And next, section 3, computer architecture, digital electronics and microprocessors. So you can check this out too. Next, I will not go in detail because I have actually gathered all these things from various sources and putting it together now. So I'll explain this you in short, like CDAC's postgraduate diploma course eligibility criteria. So here actually there are 3 categories: Category 1 has only postgraduate diploma in geoinformatics, and here minimum 50% is required throughout. So you can read actually over here, all the details are mentioned, or take a screenshot accordingly. Similarly, category 2, section A plus B is put in there, and minimum 50% is required. So there are various domains in this too, like DAC, that is in advanced computing, then mobile computing, DBDA, that is big data analytics, and DIT. These are some of the more fields. DAI is introduced actually some 2 years before, I think, and all others are previous ones. So if you have any interest in these domains, apply it accordingly and give the exam according to your domain of interest. Next, category 3. So category 3 actually has all the sections, section A plus B plus C, and here 3 courses are offered: DEST, that is Diploma in Embedded Systems Design; VLSI, that is Very Large Scale Integration, that is the full form; and DRAT, that is Diploma in Robotics and Allied Technologies. So all the details are mentioned. You can read all here itself, no need to go anywhere. And then I have also gathered all the syllabus, like what all the things are needed for preparation of the exam. So this is an in detail depth review, not review, in detail arrangement of things. So you can check this out. Totally everything is given precise and planned manner. So you can actually cover the topics as soon as possible, because the exam may be soon conducted. So check all the details. You can take the screenshot too, as I have mentioned before. So these are the details. So that's the overall overview of the exam. You can opt for this exam. It is quite a good opportunity for people after graduation. So you can opt this. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.